Adam in the Garden of Eden, he was given a book of redemption. When he sinned and God had to take it, was going to fall in the hands of the devil. And if Satan received the book of redemption, no one would be safe. That is why God had to come down. Listen, Adam was made in the image of God. Was made in the image of
God.
But when Adam fell, it needed God to come down in the very same image that has fallen. So Adam was made in the image of God, and God had to be made in the image of man in order to redeem man from sin. If God did not come in the image of man in order to redeem man from sin, no one would be saved. Because God, being a spirit, cannot die. God, being a spirit, cannot taste death. God, being a spirit, cannot taste anything that is negative. But in order for God to pay the price and the penalty, he had to take the physical body and get into the body and take the physical body. When he took the physical body, the reason why he took the physical body, God, I'm going to shock a lot of you with a statement. I know some of them even about God cannot die. The statement I'm going to make. God cannot die. But God had to taste death, had to die in a body called flesh. Because in a spiritual body, he couldn't die. But he had to take the flesh in order to die in the flesh. And that is what, saying this with respect, what the Jewish cannot take and the Muslims cannot take. But that is a revelation to the Christians.
The question is, what is it then trying to achieve?
That is a brilliant question. And that question is 1 out of a million. You know what it means? It's not every Tom, Dick, and Harry who has an access to that question. You are gifted mentality. Ayo is powerful. Now let me tell you what he achieves. I'm going to tell you. You see, God, the war between the devil and God was over one thing, the soul. God all along was trying to achieve the soul, because the soul that God gained is a soul that the devil loses. And the soul that the devil loses is a soul that God gained. It's a win or lose. So Adam will go to hell if I don't make a plan. So Adam was created the image of God. And in order for God to redeem us to our original position, he had to come down in the image of a human being. That is why the Muslims cannot take that. They can't digest that. And the Jews cannot digest that. But we do, because they don't have a revelation. It's not given unto them. It's been given unto us. Now what happened? When Adam started to grow, there was no headache. That is why in the book of Revelation says, there's a song, you know, 18, there will be no sorrow, there will be no pain. There's a land, popular land. Better when you carry on with the song, they say, but the song says there won't be a heartache. There won't be a headache. Yeah, okay, let me carry on. Let me carry on. Now, what happened? Adam he started to have headache. He started to have pain. He started to have the body ache. Those things were not there. That's why Revelation promised it. So God wanted his being back, Adam. Hence, he came in the form of a human being to redeem another human being, but was concerned about the soul and the spirit in the human being. He wanted to achieve that, because if he did not do that, the devil was going to achieve that. Shalom, Sanbonani, how are you? God bless you, 100. This is Jabbar. My numbers are 07325193111. And my YouTube is General Eagle Jabbar. I repeat, General Eagle Jabbar. You write General, you make a space, you write Eagle, you make a space, you write Jabbar. Jabbar is J-A-B-A-R. My TikTok is the same. You write at General Eagle Jabbar with small letters. My numbers are, my cell phone numbers in WhatsApp, 0732519311. And my Spotify is General Eagle Jabbar